Once you log in, click Sale button. In this screen you will able to choose menu, category and items. Now, select some items. After selecting your items, you can change item quantity and give item discount. You can add kitchen notes by clicking Notes button. Once you add notes, click OK. To save kitchen order, click Order button. Kitchen display will be automatically updated once any order added or changed. Kitchen staff will be able to change order status and item status. When kitchen order processed, you need to select the order to finalize. To save the sales receipt, go to Cash Received and enter the amount. Now, press Enter. Press Save button to save the record. Hope you enjoy the tutorial.